what's going on, guys? I know the camera is shaking a lot, but it's because I don't have my stabilizer. But today we're gonna do a job. My friend Rico from the Weld Lab passed me this job because he went out of town, and it's just a pinhole, aluminum. It's just a pinhole on a diesel tank. You see that 18-wheeler on the back? Alright, so we have to fix it. I think one of the tanks, it's leaking, and he's working right now. He's actually working, but he's only working with one tank. So he has to stop more often, you know, and he wants to get that fixed because he's going back out there. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna do this. Whenever you do this type of jobs, always make sure you have ventilation in the tank. Like open the I know there has to be a cap on the top, and if it has any valves in the bottom, open them, because I saw accidents happen. If you don't know how to do it, don't do it. If you're not sure what you're doing, don't do it. I have a friend, I've done this before. And I have a friend that makes this for a living. Like he does all the time. He does welding like this. I called him because I know what I'm doing, but I'm always like to be extra careful. Because remember, we're the ones that hold the family. So we're the ones that bring the bread home, right? So with that being said, guys, it's not a hard job, to be honest, and I think I didn't charge enough for it because it is dangerous, but it's all right. We'll make it up for the next one. Chavos, vamos a hacer este tanque. Si no saben hacerlo, no lo hagan. Es peligroso. Si lo llegan a hacer, asegúrense nomás de que el tanque esté ventilado. Destapa la tapa de arriba, destapa las válvulas de abajo, y haz todo lo que tengas que hacer. Vamos a usar una máquina de Yes Welder. No les puedo decir cuál máquina es porque todavía no la sacan y mi amigo Rico me la prestó. So, y vamos a usar la alta frecuencia. Hey, yes sir, can you bump it up to 150? Just turn that up. 'Alright guys, so there you guys have it. Previously somebody had welded it before. and they used a spool gun. Now, to be honest, it wasn't a good idea for them to use a spool gun. I didn't took a picture before, but it looked really ugly, to be honest. It looked like dog shit. Anyways, so we used the high frequency TIG aluminum welding, and like I was telling you, always make sure whenever you're gonna do this, make sure that the top is open and the valves, you know, open them up. Like that guy, he's closing them already because I'm already done with the job. But yeah, this is dangerous, to be honest. If you don't know how to do it, always take your precautions, guys. Everything come out good. Customer was happy. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.